Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa. And have you ever had a trifle pudding before? If not, then you got to make it today as it's a dessert not to be missed. It's refreshing and so very delicious. So without any delay, let's make the trifle pudding recipe. So, guys, to make this delicious trifle pudding, we're going to take a deep container and we are going to add cut up pieces of mawa cake or vanilla cake. Here I'm adding cut up pieces of homemade vanilla cake. Guys, I'll give the link of this recipe in the description box, so do check it out. And guys, if you don't want to make the cake in your house, then you can simply get Britannia vanilla flavor cake in any of the grocery stores. Just make sure that you buy 2 packets of that. And now that we have all our cake pieces nicely situated inside this container, then it's time for us to keep it aside and let's start working on making our jelly. So guys, here I've taken 1 packet of jelly. I've taken the raspberry flavor because that's my favorite. You can go for any flavor that you wish, may be it orange or be it strawberry, whatever flavor which is your favorite or which is available in the market nearby, you can use that. And let's add all the contents of that box into a vessel and then let's give everything a good mix so as to break most of those chunks. Guys, don't worry if you can't get all the chunks out, they will automatically get melted once you add hot water into it. So while we are talking about water, let's add 2 cups of water into another container and let's bring it to a boil. And once it is nice and hot and boiling, let's pour this water on top of the jelly powder. And then guys, we are just going to give everything a good mix and make sure that there are no big lumps in it. And guys, normally what we usually end up doing is we keep this just as it is for it to cool down for the jelly to set. But here, instead of letting it cool down, I'm simply going to start pouring this hot jelly liquid on top of my cake. What happens is the cake is going to soak that jelly liquid and it's going to even taste 10 times more better than it normally would do if you just add set jelly on top of the cake. This trick is absolutely amazing. I've learned it from my mother, so definitely do try it. And we are going to keep doing this till the time all the jelly liquid is inside our container, and then we are going to keep it aside for the next 45 minutes at room temperature. And after 45 minutes, look at this guys, our jelly is nicely set. So now let's keep it aside and now let's start working on our custard. So guys, to make the custard, here I've taken half liter of raw milk. And from this milk, I'm going to take about 1/4 cup of milk and put it in a separate bowl. And once we do that, then we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of sugar followed by 5 tablespoons of custard powder. We usually don't add so much custard powder, but I want the custard to be nice and thick, and that is why I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of the custard powder. And now let's mix everything in till the time there are no lumps. And then let's keep this custard and sugar mix aside and let's take this raw milk and bring it to a boil. Remember to keep stirring the milk so as the cream does not start floating on top and the milk does not sit at the bottom and burn. And once the milk is nice and boiling, then it's time for us to add that custard mix into our milk and then give that a stir as well. And then we are going to continuously keep stirring it on a medium flame till the time the milk becomes nice and thick. See guys, this is how thick your custard should look like. So now let's turn off the flame and remove the custard and wait for it to come down to room temperature. Also guys, the color of my custard is looking a little pinkish. That is because the custard powder that I used was gotten from UK. If you have or if you're using an Indian brand, then it's going to give you a yellow color. So don't worry, it's the same method but different color. And as you just saw, I poured all the custard once it is at room temperature on top of the jelly and cake. So it's now time for us to add some cut up fruits. So here I have some bananas, apple, kiwi and black grapes which I have cut them up, and I'm going to land them on top of our custard. Guys, you can use whatever fruits that you have in your house or whatever fruits that you like. I absolutely love apple on my pudding, so I'm definitely going to add the apple, and I had the rest of the fruits, so I did add those too. But whatever fruits you have in your house, combination works for you is good enough. And once we have the fruits on top of our pudding, let's put our pudding into the fridge for the next 45 minutes for it to set. Meanwhile, I'm going to start making some whipped cream. So here I've taken about 1 cup of whipping cream, and to our whipping cream, we need to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar along with 2 drops of vanilla essence. But this whipping cream already had the powdered sugar as well as vanilla essence, so I did not add it, and I just whipped it for the next 8 to 10 minutes or until the time I got some soft peaks. And you can always check if your whipping cream is ready by turning the bowl upside down, and if nothing falls, then that means your whipping cream is ready. And now let's add our whipped cream on top of our fruits and let's spread it out evenly. If any of the whipping cream is left over, then you can always just mix some fruits in the leftover whipped cream and enjoy that easy dessert as well. Isn't that a good trick? So guys, now that everything is nice and set, let's add few more pieces of fruit on top and let's put this dessert back into the fridge. I'm going to keep it overnight. You can just keep it for 2-3 hours. Just make sure that it is nice and chilled before you serve. And I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am cutting a piece. And look at our dessert, guys. Just absolutely refreshing. And guys, look at the layers. Wow, the cake is like infused with the jelly and the custard and the cream and the fruits. What more can you expect from a dessert? Definitely do try it, especially during the summertime. Do let me know what you think about this recipe, and do share this recipe link with your friends and family. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.